Hi everyone! It's Emigrace from Graceful Homeschooling. I'm a mompreneur na kumikita habang nasa bahay. So today, isa ito sa pinaka-requested na videos natin. Paano nga ba magsimulang magbenta sa Shopee? So kung matagal mo na talagang gustong magkaroon ng isang Shopee store pero nalilito ka kung paano ang step by step, this video is for you. Huwag kang mag-alala because we'll go through everything together. Step by step ito at very doable ito, I promise you. So mabilis lang at madali lang ang proseso ng pag-setup ng Shopee store. So let's get started. So now, there are 5 things na kailangan natin gawin para makapag-register tayo bilang Shopee seller. Number 1, how do you create your Shopee seller account? Number 2 ay how do you set up your shop profile? Number 3, how do you verify your mobile number? Number 4, how do you set up your pickup address? And finally, how do you create your first listing? So ang pakiusap ko sa inyo, huwag kayong mag-skip para wala kayong ma-miss. Now, let's jump into how do you create your Shopee seller account. Step number 1 ay gumawa ng account sa Shopee.com at i-click ang sign up. Mag-sign up lang kayo gamit ang inyong mobile number or account sa Facebook, Google, or Apple. So, kailangan ilagay at i-verify nyo din ang inyong phone number at email address. Step number 2 ay mag-login sa Seller Center sa seller.shopee.ph using your Shopee account, username, and password. Diyan sa Shopee app, go to me, then i-click nyo lang yung Start Selling. Step number 3 ay i-fill out nyo lang yung inyong shop info. Ilagay ang pangalan ng shop mo. Ang tip ko sa inyo, make it simple at memorable. Yung madali lang talagang matandaan ng mga tao. And then, mag-add lang kayo ng shop logo at ng inyong banner. So, pwede din kayo mag-upload ng 1 to 5 images or videos para naman may brand identity ang shop name. So, step number 4 ay provide your business information. Ensure that the taxpayer information you input is reflected in your BIR certificate of registration or yung tinatawag natin na COR. Kung may BIR certificate ka, ilagay ang tamang information dyan sa form na makikita nyo sa inyong mga screen. So you can also submit your business information later pero hindi ka lang makapag-list ng iyong products until ma-verify ito. And once done providing all the necessary information, i-click nyo lang yung submit. And then once successful, you will be prompted to upload your first product listing. Now, pag-usapan natin paano ba natin isa-set ang ating shop profile. To set up your shop profile, go to shop settings. So meron kayong tatlong main components to your shop's profile. Number 1 ay shop name. So piliin nyo yung name na madali lang tandaan at very unique. Number 2 ay images and videos. So pwede kayo mag-upload ng up to 5 images and videos to give your shop a strong brand identity. And number 3 ay shop description. So mag-create lang kayo ng short description para ma-attract nyo yung inyong mga shoppers sa inyong shop. And you may also include information such as your shop's history, type of products, or chat reply hours. Pero huwag kayong maglalagay ng personal information such as email address or contact number. At huwag din kayo makipag-transact outside of Shopee. So now, pag-usapan natin, how do you verify your phone number and email address? So bago kayo mag-add ng inyong mga products, make sure lang that you have a verified mobile number added in your account to avoid getting your products hidden from the buyer. So hindi talaga makikita yan pag hindi pa na-verify yung inyong phone number at email address. So here's the step-by-step process. So number 1, on Seller Center, go to Shop Setting, Account and Security. Under Account Information, i-edit mo lang yung iyong phone number. And then, i-add mo yung mobile number at i-click mo lang yung next. Makaka-receive ka ng 6-digit verification code on your mobile number provided. Number 3, i-enter mo lang yung verification code, then click next. So, sa pag-create ng Shopee Seller account, ay importante din na ma-set natin yung ating pickup address. Now, paano ba natin isi-set up ang ating pickup address? Number 1, ay go to Seller Center and click nyo lang yung shipping setting. And then, dyan sa shipping ay meron nakalagay dyan na address management. And then, i-click nyo lang yung add a new address, i-fill up yung contact and address details, and then i-click yung set as pickup address. So, ganun lang kasimple mag-set ng pickup address. Now, yung final step ay para paano tayo mag-create ng ating first listing. Before kayo mag-create ng inyong listing, i-review nyo lang muna yung prohibited and restricted items policy para ma-ensure that your product can be listed for sale in accordance with Shopee's terms and conditions. Once done, pwede na kayo mag-start by following these steps. Number 1, I go to Seller Center and select my products. And number 2, I click on Add a new product and fill up the product name, category, product attributes, and description. Number 3, ay mag-upload lang kayo ng high resolution and professionally taken photos of your product. Number 4, I select shipping settings such as weight and parcel size. Do note that different shipping providers may have different shipping fees or restrictions ng ating mga parcel size and weight. So there you have it. You are now ready to sell on Shopee. Pero ang final reminder ko sa inyo ay huwag kayong mag-skip ng kahit na anong steps dyan sa mga nabanggit ko kanina. And dyan sa inyong registration form, lalo na yung merong mga red na asterisk, ay huwag nyo din i-skip or i-leave ng blank. Kasi mahirapan kayo talagang mag-register bilang isang Shopee seller. And finally, ay i-secure nyo lang yung inyong DTI at yung inyong BIR Certificate of Registration. Ito na yung hinahanap talaga ng ating mga e-commerce platforms ngayon. So, sana ay nakatulong itong step-by-step Shopee Seller Guide sa inyo. So, kung gusto mo pa ng mas marami pang ganitong beginner-friendly videos about online business, paper goods, and home-based printing, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button para hindi nyo na-miss yung mga ganitong content here in this channel. So, thank you so much for joining me, and I hope that I'll see you again on my next one. God bless everyone, and I will see you around. Bye!